The current time is 11:01 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11 a.m. at Memphis International Airport, it was cloudy. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio all hazards warning system on station WXK-49, originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK-49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG 79, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.55 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Davidson County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.